Today we're doing a trial overlay with Bridgelock, a non-hazardous resin. It is non-hazmat and Prop 65 compliant. And we're trying to dial in the mixed proportions. And we're using 31 pounds of the main resin and 5 pounds of the hardener to 300 pounds of aggregate. And that's would be 12% resin by dry weight of aggregate. The beauty of this product, it's non-hazmat, you don't have to wear a respirator, and you can use it with water because it's water-based. You can use local aggregate, and the moisture in the aggregate is not a problem. So today we're going to have a demonstration of mixing and placing the Bridgelock overlay product for use on protecting bridge decks. Okay, this is our fourth trial overlay with this non-hazardous Bridgelock resin. This is the surface as prepared prior to placement. Water doesn't affect it. There's a big pond here. And we're going to be placing this at 1 inch thick. And this is the vibratory screed that we'll be using. And this is the screed rails it's running on to get a smooth profile. And manufacturer says that this material does not need a clean surface. It'll penetrate right through oil even. So we're doing some experiment just to prove all that. Okay, what we're looking at here on the far side is the second trial overlay. On the near side, this is the third trial overlay. And this material appears to be very well consolidated and it adheres well. And we're going to demonstrate the adhesion properties with pull-off tests in 2 weeks. Okay, this is February 20th, 2015. This is our fourth trial overlay with the Bridgelock non-hazardous resin that we're trying out. Today we placed a mixture of a sand mix and a 3/8 gravel. And we used 12% resin to start. Then we said we're going to eliminate the next batch, eliminating the coarse aggregate, so it was just the sand mix, a blend of coarse and fine. And then the third batch, we went up to 14% resin and just the blend mix. And we continued on for the next 3 batches. Then the last batch, we used sand only, bedding sand, not the blend of coarse aggregate. And we're tapering that to 0 to see how this material performs in thin areas, where with polyester concrete you cannot taper to 0. So we started with 12%, immediately went to 14% after the second batch. So far it's looking pretty good today. It looks workable and finishable. The resin's thinner than in the previous 3 trial overlays is one of the differences we did today. The other difference we did today, we used local aggregate and not dried aggregate. And this material is water-based, so water doesn't affect it. And if we look over here to the right, this was our 3rd trial overlay. And it started raining at 4 in the morning, rained all morning. When we placed it, it was not raining. And after finished placing it, it rained again. So it had rain under it and over it. And it's holding up to its reputation of water not affecting it.